Friends, when our mind is focused in the right direction, only then can we think positively and create real change in our lives. And when we have to make big decisions or face tough challenges, being mentally strong is absolutely essential. Life is not always easy. Sometimes we face moments that feel overwhelmingly difficult. During such times, many people give up, but those who are mentally strong are the ones who succeed. So today, in this story, we will learn how to overcome difficult situations. I'm going to share 8 rules with you. If you understand and follow them, you can build a mentally strong mind. Once, Rishi Pragyanand was sitting in his Gurukul, teaching his students about the power of the mind and thoughts. The Rishi said, sometimes a person's mind is filled with positive thoughts, and sometimes with negative ones. Positive thoughts lift us up, while negative thoughts pull us down. Then one of the students, Abhinav, stood up and asked, "Teacher, is there a way we can make our minds stronger?" Rishi Pragyanand smiled and said, "Yes, absolutely. But first, you need to understand a few things about the mind. Once you do, the path to becoming mentally strong will become much easier." The Rishi explained, whenever we think something, that thought is first born in our mind. Then it affects our body. If you dwell on sorrowful thoughts, your body will feel weak and drained. But if your thoughts are filled with excitement and enthusiasm, your body will feel energized. That's why when someone is happy, every part of them shines. And when someone is sad, they feel weak. How your body functions depends on your thoughts. Rishi Pragyanand then said, "Now, I will teach you 8 rules. Learn them and apply them, and you will become mentally invincible." Rule number 1, don't worry about the past. Rishi asked, "Which direction does the sun rise from?" Everyone replied, "Teacher, the east." Rishi said, "What if I said it rises from the west?" The students replied, "Never." Rishi said, "In the same way, the past will never come back. If you cling to yesterday, you will only feel sorrow. To move forward, focus on the future." Rule number 2, make meditation a habit. Rishi said, "Great souls have always found the truth through meditation. Meditation calms the mind, controls thoughts, and makes us strong from within. A person who meditates has a steady mind, and someone with a steady mind can never be shaken." Rule number 3, don't rely too much on others. Rishi said, "The more you expect from others, the deeper your disappointment will be. Rely on yourself. Trust your abilities, but don't burden others with your expectations." Rule number 4, don't fear failure. Rishi said, "Failing the first time isn't weakness. Real weakness is fear. Fear eats away your confidence. If you want success, work towards your goal and don't let fear stop you." Rule number 5, don't blame yourself. Rishi said, "If an elephant thinks, 'Why couldn't I climb that tree?' would that be fair? No. An elephant's purpose is different." Similarly, everyone has their own strengths. If you fail at something, don't blame yourself. Recognize your talents and focus on them. Rule number 6, don't waste your energy. Rishi said, "You have immense energy inside you. Don't waste it on useless things, negative company, or meaningless tasks. Focus your energy in the right direction and you'll reach your goals." Rule number 7, listen to others, but follow your own path. Rishi said, "People will give you endless advice, but you know your abilities best. Make decisions based on your inner voice and your talents, not just others' opinions." Rule number 8, speak less, do more. Rishi said, "People who talk too much waste their energy. Those who speak less have time to think, plan, and focus. Speaking less saves energy and strengthens the mind. This is the path to real success." Rishi Pragyanand concluded, "If you apply these 8 rules in your life, you will become mentally strong. No difficulty will be able to defeat you." All the students bowed to Rishi and realized how valuable these rules would be in their lives. Friends, these were the 8 priceless rules to become mentally strong. If you take them to heart and apply them, no storm will ever shake your life. If this story inspired you, please like and share this video.